So wherever you see a question like this that involve frequency, so the best thing to do is to make this the table vertical. Now solution. So the first column here I have x sub it I. This x itself represents the score. Then we have number of students representing the frequency. Okay, so under x I'm going to write all the scores there: 4, 6, 15, 10, then 9. Okay, let me draw that so that I don't mix up. Then under the frequency I have 5, I have 10, I have 8, I have 7, then I have 10. Okay. So the formula for calculating the mean when we have frequency is x bar. X bar represents the mean, that is the arithmetic mean, which is equals to summation f sub I x sub I. Then summation f sub I. Don't get confused with this sub I. Some textbook will not put it there. In some textbook, we just see summation f x over summation f. Okay, it's still the same thing. So this sub I you just put there so that we know that this I represents each of the values here. So it's a standard way of writing it. Here is the formula. So this formula will guide us on what we are going to do with our table. You can see in this formula we have f sub I x sub I. Okay, then we have f sub I. We already have x sub I here. To find the summation, to get the summation f sub I, what we need to do is just to sum what we have here. When we sum what we have here together, we are going to have 40. This is 40. So the second thing in this formula is f sub I. That is the product of this. We have f, we have x sub I here. Okay, so the f sub I x sub I. So we have to find the product so that we now solve. So let's start. We have fi, we have xi. That is 4 times 5. Let me put it there. Fi xi. So 4 times 5, that is 20. 6 times 10, we have 60. 150 times 15 times 8, that is 120. 10 times 7, that is 70. 9 times 10, that is 90. Okay, so summation of fi xi, that's f sub I xi. So I will just call it summation fx. Okay, so we have this together. We are going to get to now 360 divided by 40. Therefore, 0 cancels 0, then 4 here 1, 4 here 9. In other words, our x bar is equal to 9. So this is the main score.